In this lesson, you're going to learn how to make a slow motion and speed up video. Now I'm going to use to do that, I'm going to use this video as an example. Okay, so if you look at this video, if I play it, this is the normal speed of this video right now. Okay, so if I want to add slow motion or speed this video up, there are two ways to do that. So I can go to my visual effect. And right here you're going to see clip speed. So I can drag it and drop it on my clip. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is to go to the property section, and in the property section you can see you have 1x here. So if I want to make this video slower, I'm going to put 0.5 as my speed, 0.5. so that is going to make it lower. If I click the enter key now, you can see that the video is longer compared to what it was before. Alright, so if I play this now, it's going to go slower. So let me just do this so that you can see both video when in its normal speed and when it's slowing down. So I will go to my media bin and bring in the normal video right here. Bring the normal video here. I'm going to reduce it so that I can place it side by side. Now if you watch both videos, you are going to see that one is faster. This is the normal speed, and this is the slow motion. This one has 0.5 and this one has the default or the normal speed. So I'm going to play that. You can see that this one is longer in length than this one because this one is slow motion. So playing this now, let's observe. Okay, so you can see that the one at the top is faster than the one right here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this one as normal speed, and I want to make this one faster. Okay, I want to speed up this video. So I will go to I'll go to my property. Okay, still in my property for my clip speed. So instead of 0.5 here, I'm going to increase it to 4. You can put it as 2. Okay, let me just start with 2. That is double of the speed. If I put 2, for example, and I click, so you can see that this one now, because this one is faster than this, is half of the length of the original clip. So if I play this now, let's watch. So you can see that this one now is faster than the one at the top. Okay, so that is how to add clip speed to your video clip. Now the other way you can do this is by just right clicking. So if you right click, you are going to see remove clip speed. So let me just delete this video and just bring in another video right here. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this so that you can see the effect. Bring it down here. So this is the one at the bottom is one we are going to apply in our clip speed. So I'm going to right click. The other way you can add your clip speed is to right click. You're going to see add clip speed. So once you click on add clip speed by right clicking, at the bottom you're going to see this blue border or this blue section. So that is your clip speed. So let's say you want to make it slower, you can actually drag to make it slower, or you can just drag it in to make it faster. So this is going to be faster. If I play this now, you will see that the one below will be faster than the one at the top. So let me play it. So you can see that the one below is faster than the one at the top. So if I now drag, don't forget this blue section. If I drag this, then you have this clock and this clock. So if I drag this forward, you see that this one, you make it slower. So if I play this now, you see that the original video you know, is bringing up social media before this one is starting to bring out the icons. Okay, so that is how to add that is how to create a slow motion video, and also how to add a clip speed in Camtasia. So this video might not be a perfect example. Let's say somebody running, you know, could have been a perfect example, or maybe a car that is driving. So if you get any of that, it's the same thing. So I think I have a car here. Okay, it's not here, it's not here now. Okay, but whatever you are using, let me try and bring in the car. If I go to my resources, go to my video, okay, so I have this, I'm going to bring this in. Okay, so if I drag it to my timeline, you can see that this car is fast. You know, this is the default video. So I can make it to slow down. I can do this in slow motion, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, just right click on add clip speed, and extend it. The blue section that you have down here, where you have this clock at this end and this clock at this end, just drag it. I'm just going to drag that to make it slower. So if I play this now, you can see that it's not as fast as the first time I played it. So I can drag further to actually make it slower. Okay, so if I play this now, you see, compared to the original video. So if I drag the original video down and play it, and if I disable this track, for example, and play this original video, you can see very fast. So if I enable this track and disable this and play it, you can see that this is you know, slowing down. So that is how to add clip speed. That's how to speed up your video, and how to add slow motion to your video.